Welcome to Canva Masterclass. My name is Simon Chooks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit anything with Canva. Canva can be used as a website or as an app. So if you want to use Canva as a website, you go to your browser, enter canva.com and launch, and when it opens you sign up for an account. You either use your email or you use your Facebook to sign up. And the other alternative is to download the Canva app. And on my phone right now, I have the Canva app. And in case you don't have the Canva app, you can go to Google Play Store and download the Canva app and also sign up using your email or your Facebook. So I have the Canva app already. Let me just launch the Canva app right now and show us some things. So right now, this is the home page of Canva. Now we're going to be designing what we're designing with just the smartphone. So this tutorial is how you can use your smartphone to design anything at all. So a quick one, the Canva interface. The upper part, you see the search bar. This is the search bar right here. This is where you enter your niche or the keyword that is related to what you want to design. Then it will help you to bring out pre-made template that is related to that niche. Take for instance, if you want to design YouTube thumbnails, all you just have to come is to enter YouTube thumbnails. If you want to design YouTube banners, you just come and enter YouTube banners, and it will bring out the resolution and other pre-made templates that has been designed, other design that other people have used for their YouTube thumbnails and their YouTube banners. So this is all about that. Then you see all these other icon for you, docs, whiteboards, social media, presentation, videos, print, website. Just like I said, you can use Canva to design anything. Take for instance, what you want to design is a website. All you just have to do is to click on the website, and it will bring the template, the pre-made templates that you can edit. If it is video, just click on it and it will bring, so whatever thing you want to design. If it is social media post, now if it is social media post, all you just have to do is just to click on it and it will bring out the template that you can edit, whether you want to post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. It will bring out the template and the resolution for you. So this is the top part. Then let's look at the bottom part of Canva. So this is the home. This is the home. The templates. Templates are the pre-made designs that you can edit. So after the templates, we have the projects. Projects are the things you have designed, your previous design that you have saved on your Canva account. And the next one is the Canva Pro. This is the upgraded version of Canva. Canva can be used for free, and you can also upgrade to the paid, to the ones that you subscribe monthly. The Canva Pro gives you more option and more features. There are things you cannot do with the free Canva account, that it will require you to have the Canva Pro before you can be able to do that. So we have the menu also. It's just, this is where it takes you to your profile. You can edit some things, your so many things, content planners, discover apps, smart mockup, create theme. Here you can create a theme, so many things you can do with Canva. So if you want to edit anything, you just go to your menu. If you want to edit your profile, you go to your menu. So right now, in this video, I want us to design a flyer for skincare products. Let's assume that you are in the skincare niche and you want to design a flyer to promote your products. So all you just have to do is come to the search bar, then enter skincare. Let's go for skincare products. Skincare products. So these are pre-made templates that you can easily pick one and edit it to your taste. You change the image, you change the color, you change the logo, you change the text. So let's go for this. And there are some of these pre-made templates that you see something like paid on it. Those ones, if you use them, the Canva watermark will show in your design. So, and that will not be a good one. That will not be a good idea. So the only time you can use that is if you have upgraded to the Canva Pro, to the paid version. So, but you can select other ones that are just free and edit to your taste. One thing you have to do before you start to edit or to design anything, you need to have a design that you want to model. Search for designs in your niche that you like, that you want to model, so you can be able to come here and search for something close to that and be able to replicate that. So let's go for new serum. New serum antibacterial. So right now you can select any of the item on this design and either delete them, replace them, change their color. You can change the background color. Let's just say you don't like the background color. You can come here and change the background color. So I think we should just go with that. Then this size, you can decide to change. So each of the item that you click on, it will be selected and options will be brought out. The editor's options will be brought out so that you can either look at this now. I can either decide to look at the bottom part. These are the options that you have. Look at the bottom part. You can decide to make use of any of these, either to crop, to flip. If I decide to flip right now, you see, you can decide to flip. So you can just make use of all the options that are here. Each time you click on any of the item, you have options. You have the editing options, whether to change the color, whether to remove the object, whether to replace it, whether to reduce it. and all that. So right now, if I want to reduce this, I'll just click on this, circle around this selected object and just draw it towards the object, and it gets smaller. If I draw it, in the outward direction, it gets larger. So that is that on that. So you can decide to delete it. So you look at this. You can decide to delete it by clicking on that delete icon, or you can decide to duplicate it by clicking on the plus icon. That plus icon means to duplicate. Okay, let's just say I want to duplicate it right now. So I'll just click here and it has been duplicated. So if I want to duplicate it again, I will also click the same plus icon and it will be duplicated. So right now I want to return it back. Look at this upper part. Look at this upper part. Look at this icon. This arrow that points backward. If I click it, it will undo what I have done. The duplication that I did, it will undo it. So I'll just click it now and it will undo the duplication. So you just come here and click it, and that is it. You need to click it twice because I moved 2 steps. I duplicated it and I moved it toward that side. So that was why I needed to click it twice. So the text, let's say you want to change the text. You click on the text, then you have the editing options. Look at the bottom part. You have the editing option. If I want to edit, if I click here now, I'll be able to change that word. I'll be able to change it. Let me just use that option. So I'll be able to write. Let me just edit it this way. New, let me add facial, new face serum. So I can now come here. This is the font. If I want to change the font, I'll just click here and change to the font that I want. Now let's look at the font size. The font size, look at this line. Look at this line and this. Look at where the font size is. The font size right now is 79 point something percent. That is so I can reduce it. And you see, I can reduce it. So let's leave it at this. So I can move this away or adjust this by moving it. Just click and hold, and then you can move it around. Just move it a bit. Then you can click on the other text to move it, or to change the color. So once you click on the item, the editing option will be shown at the bottom part, so you can change the color, the text color. So let's just say we want to change the text color to green. No, let's change it to something else, to purple, to okay. So we have changed the color. I've changed the color. Now, this area that is selected that is white, that the background is white, I can also decide to change it to something else. I can change the color. You see? I can decide to change the color to anything. So once you click on any part, Whether it is the whole part that is selected, then you have the option to edit. The option is always at the bottom, so I can click animate, I can do transparency. These are the options that I have. So this vertical line, I can decide to change the color. Look at it, the line color. Look at this area is the editing option that is brought out. The line color, I can decide to make it thicker. I can decide to make it thicker. Do you see? Can make it thicker. I can break the line. I can break the lines into 3. So these are just the options that you can just play around with, just to bring out what you really want. So that is that. If you want to animate it, okay, I think that option is only available for the Pro version. So there are some options that you can only use if you're using the Pro version. But with the free version, you'll be able to design the basic things that you need to the point that you feel that, okay, you need to upgrade to the Pro version. So right now, if you want to add a name, the business name, you can just come here and look at this plus icon. Look at this plus icon. If you click here, you'll be able to add whether it's an image, whether it is text. So let's just look at that. So click here right now. So these are the options that you have. Look at the bottom part. Look at this part. You have the design. You have element, you have gallery, you have uploads, you have text, you have objects, you have apps. So let's just say that what you want to add, the plus icon that we clicked on represent addition, adding stuff. So if you want to add anything, probably you want to add, if you want to add shapes, you just come here and click on the element. So there are different shapes that you can select. If you want to add any shape, you just come here and select the shape. Now these are photos that you can decide to add, So if you want to add, probably you have an image on your phone that you have saved on your gallery. Just click on the gallery and you go to the object and select the object and upload it. So if it is a video, if it's an image, then the next one is the upload. The upload is the objects you have used, the images you have used in the past to design on Canva. This is where you find the different images that you have used in the past. So, and the next one is you have tests. Test is if you want to add any word. Probably you want to add your name, you want to add your brand, whatever thing you want to add, you just click on the plus icon, then to bring you here, then you click on the text. Then the options you have is whether you want to add a heading, add a subheading, then add a little bit of body text. But let's assume that what you want to, the text you want to add, you want it to be something that is already designed. So you can just type it, and if it is part of the option, then it will bring it out. Then you can be able to use it. You just click on it. But some of these, is just for the pro. Some of those tests that has been designed already, you can't use them because it's on a free, package. So what do you want to add? If there's anything you want to add, let's just say, okay, what's the name of the brand? The name of the brand is Skin. Okay. So let's just say you want to add something like, add a heading, click on it, and so you can move it down to where the position you want it to be. Then you click on the edit, then type whatever thing you want to type. What name should we use? Seamless care. Seamless care. So you come here, if you want to change the font style, you click on the font. If it is the font size, you click on it. If it's the color, so I think this size is somehow big, somehow large. So I just come here and reduce the size. Reduce the size. Then I think the color is okay. Then this other one is the format. Then the spacing, I think the spacing is okay. The effects, transparency. So with this, I am done with this design. And I think it is okay. So if I want to save this design right now for use, I'll just come up here, and click on this icon to upload. So once I click on the upload icon, it will download the image or the design that I've already done. So it will be able to save on my gallery, to save on my phone. So I'll be able to use it for whatever advert or promo that I want to do. I'll be able to send it, use it on social media, So this is the end of this tutorial. If you find this tutorial very helpful, I need you to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that more people will be able to find this video